I am back. It just takes a lot out of me to do this. It just really does. But I got a new ring light, and it's from the same company, Stellar. But basically, we've upgraded. It's the one with like the tray. It's so much better, even though I have my complaints about this still, because I must have got a bad batch. L bracket, the holes that you screw the knobs in to secure it, the holes are off. They took the wrong measurements, so the bracket holes don't line up with the holes on the back of the ring light. I'm really disappointed in them for that, but other than that, the light itself is lit. Let's get into whatever I'm gonna do. With the Huda Wild Obsessions palette, I got the green one because I really don't have a lot of green. If you don't have this palette, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm just glad to be back, and we're just gonna get right into it. I use the soap and brows. I'm gonna use this, and that's it. And then I use the soap and brows watermelon mist. Shrink your pores. So I'm gonna do my brows, and then I'll be right back. Last month, this is the NYX pore filler. I already tried it out. It's good and it worked. Thinking, which one am I gonna use? And I'm like, let me just try both. I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna use NYX on this side and Natasha on this side, and I want to see if there's an actual difference. And it's like instant, and it's mattifying too. You know this, so I like swipe it in there so it fills the holes. You know, the pores. It's like press and swipe. I think I put too much. What the hell was I thinking? I know. You don't even have to say it. I already know. It is what it is. Now I'm gonna go in with foundation, and it's gonna be Fenty because, period. Foundation brush to go with it. They're found the Fenty foundation brush. $4.30, and over to your concealer on top. Which one is this? This is peanut butter. So now we're gonna go in with the Huda. This is another one that is very pigmented, and a little goes a long way. It's so pretty. It's just a great eye brightener. with my Chanel powder. What is this? 70. So I have my Juvia's palettes. No, I think I'm going with the lightest one first. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Okay guys, I'm back for the eyes, and I'm just going to put a little bit more of my P. Louise eye base on. I'm going to start with this dark brown color. This is how it looks right now. Take the Juvia's Bronze MAC 217 brush, that's OG. I love that as a transition color. So I'm gonna go in Trophy Wife. You should like really see the gold. This blue first. This blue, you know, this reminds me, the one in the middle with the scales reminds me of Blue Brown from MAC. So pretty. Now I'm just going to take some of that green. So I'm going to blend it, the 217 brush with the transition color on it. This precision liner. I decided to do a point. I'm going to show you guys real quick. And it's so easy to do it with this. Right, super easy. It really was though. It was like the fastest I have done that type of cat eyelashes. The eyelashes I use Batty Bee lashes in Instaho. Yeah, I love these lashes. And I think it might be my new favorite. I still love my Inglot. But I feel like if you just like want precision really quickly, and to just use it. Longwear powder foundation, and I use this to perfect the under eyes, to dust off the translucent powder after. My reverse contour. I haven't let it brush in a long time. The Juvia's Place Saharan palette for blush. only because it has like orange tones. I'm gonna set my face, even though I'm gonna wipe this off and go right to bed. My Mario Badescu. Setting's pretty dry. I put my Pat McGrath mascara on. This is the older one. This isn't the new one. This is the Fetish Eyes. So the only thing I have to do is lip. I want to use the, and believe it or not, I haven't even tried this yet. All freaking summer. I'm gonna do the Fenty Heat. Judge my lip liner. Don't do it. It's really become my favorite lip liner. I have to search for it online because I can't find it in the stores anymore. It's the NYX Dark Brown Lip Liner. So let me give the lip plumper a little while to work in, and let me see if I see a difference. Here's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it for my first video back from like forever. So I really did miss you guys, and I hope to be back for more.